Which of the following is not correct about the sheet? A sheet is a fully extended configuration built up from several spatially adjacent regions of a polypeptide chain. B. Each region involved in forming the sheet is a strand. C. The strand conformation is pleated with main chain backbone zigzagging and side chains positioned on same sides of the sheet. D. Strands are stabilized by hydrogen bonds between residues of adjacent strands. The correct answer is: the strand conformation is pleated with main chain backbone zigzagging and side chains positioned on same sides of the sheet. Which of the following is not correct about the helices? An helix has a main chain backbone conformation that resembles a corkscrew. B. Nearly all known helices are right-handed, exhibiting a leftward spiral form. C. Nearly all known helices are right-handed, exhibiting a rightward spiral form. D. In right-handed helix there are 3.6 amino acids per helical turn. The correct answer is: nearly all known helices are right-handed, exhibiting a leftward spiral form. A linear polymer of more than 50 amino acid residues is referred to as a dipeptide, B. oligopeptide, C. peptide, D. polypeptide. The correct answer is polypeptide. Which of the following is not correct about the X-ray crystallography? A. In X-ray protein crystallography, proteins need to be grown into large crystals in which their positions are fixed in a repeated ordered fashion. B. The protein crystals are illuminated with an intense X-ray beam. C. The X-rays are deflected by the electron clouds surrounding the atoms in the crystal, producing a regular pattern of diffraction. D. The protein crystals are illuminated with an intense infrared beam. The correct answer is: the protein crystals are illuminated with an intense infrared beam. Which of the following is not correct about the NMR? A. It stands for nuclear magnetic resonance. B. NMR spectroscopy detects spinning patterns of atomic nuclei in an electric field. C. NMR spectroscopy detects spinning patterns of atomic nuclei in a magnetic field. D. Protein samples are labeled with radioisotopes such as 13C and 15N. The correct answer is: NMR spectroscopy detects spinning patterns of atomic nuclei in an electric field. Which of the following is not correct about the integral membrane proteins? A. Membrane proteins exist in lipid bilayers of cell membranes. B. The exterior of the proteins spanning the membrane must be very hydrophobic to be stable. C. The exterior of the proteins spanning the membrane must be very hydrophilic to be stable. D. Most typical transmembrane segments are helices. The correct answer is: the exterior of the proteins spanning the membrane must be very hydrophilic to be stable. Which of the following is not correct about the stabilizing forces? A. Protein structures from secondary to quaternary are maintained by non-covalent forces. B. They include electrostatic interactions but not van der Waals forces and hydrogen bonding. C. Electrostatic interactions are a significant stabilizing force in a protein structure. D. Electrostatic interactions occur when excess negative charges in one region are neutralized by positive charges in another region. The correct answer is: they include electrostatic interactions but not van der Waals forces and hydrogen bonding. The building blocks of proteins are naturally occurring amino acids, small molecules that contain a free amino group NH2 and a free carboxyl group COOH. A10, B20, C9, D19. The correct answer is 20. Which of the following is not correct about the coils and loops? A. They are regular structures. B. They are irregular structures. C. The loops are often characterized by sharp turns or hairpin-like structures. D. If the connecting regions are completely irregular, they belong to random coils. The correct answer is, they are regular structures. One can search a structure in PDB using the 4-letter code or keywords related to its annotation. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. The peptide formation involves two amino acids covalently joined together between the carboxyl group of one amino acid and the amino group of another. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. Within the hydrophobic set of amino acids, they can be further divided into aliphatic and aromatic. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. Globular proteins are usually insoluble. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false. The smallest amino acid has a hydrogen atom as the R group. A. Valine. B. Proline. C. Glycine. D. Threonine. The correct answer is glycine.